focus on the blessing and not on what is missing. Hi there, kumusta ka? Saan masyado tayo nakapokus sa mga bagay na wala pa, sa mga pangarap na hindi pa natin naaabot. And it's easy to let those thoughts steal our joy and peace. Have you ever paused and look around you? Appreciate what you already have in life. Yung trabahong meron ka, pangarap yan ng mga taong nag apply yung lakas ng katawan na meron ka ngayon, pangarap yan ng mga taong nasa ospital. Yung bahay na meron ka ngayon, pangarap yan ng mga taong walang matirhan. At yung pamilyang meron ka ngayon, pangarap yan ng mga taong naulila. We need to appreciate more what we have now. And each day, we're surrounded by blessings. Small moments of peace, laughter, and love. And those are the things that we often taken for granted. Maybe it's not the biggest house, not the fanciest car, or the highest paycheck, but gratitude shifts your focus. What you have today is enough. Focus on the blessings, not on what is missing. What you water is what grows. And when you appreciate the now, you open the door for more blessing. You are already abundantly blessed. Kapit lang, dasal pa tayo. May ginagawang kamanghang-mahang bagay ang Diyos sa sitwasyon mo.